Good day, everyone. Today is Tuesday, so we will be looking at our question 1. Where did the birds meet? 2. What landed beside them? 3. Which bird said he could fly faster than the eagle? 4. Where was the race to finish? 5. Where did the eagle stop for a rest? 6. Who won the race? Okay, that's the first part of the activity. For the next part of the activity, write the names of the birds and color the pictures. Year 1, go back to the story and find the names of the birds I read to you, okay? So that you're able to answer the second part of the activity. Then we move on to your handwriting. So for your handwriting, you copy this the same way into your current exercise book. Year 1, you've got a pink book at home. You copy this sheet the exact same way into your writing book, okay? So you write 10 August 2020 and underline. You will skip 2 lines and draw your pattern, okay? Then you'll skip 1 line and start with your capital and your small okay? Copy the sheet exactly as you see it over here, okay? So you finished with your English, pardon me. Now we move on to your maths for Tuesday. Okay, if you look at the cover sheet of your math activity, you've got some 3D shapes and the names are also here. So whenever you get stuck or you forget, you are welcome to look on this page. Okay. Then we go to Tuesday. Here you've got cylinders and this is what they look like. And you've got cones which look like this. Okay. For this activity, all you have to do is count how many cylinders and write your answer down there. Then you count how many cones do you have in this box and write your answer in there. Then we move on to the next activity where you have to cut out the names which are over here and paste them on the right 3D shape. Okay, so for instance, this first one is a cylinder. The word cylinder is over here. You will cut it out and glue it right there. Okay, the second one is a cone. You will cut out the word cone and paste it in there. That is all you have to do for your maths. Then we move on to your science. So for Tuesday science, I will read what we have to do. Making shadows in the sun. Emeka is blocking the light. Okay, so shadows form because light can't pass through an object. Okay, his shadow is dark because there is less light. Amar is drawing around the shadow with chalk. Here you have Amar. Now you get to try this outside. You don't have to do it with chalk. Okay, so you go outside, look at a shadow or your shadow and draw the picture here. Once your shadow is in front of you and not behind you. So look at the picture over here. The shadow is in front of the man, not behind him. So you have to draw your picture and show the shadow. that brings us to the end of today's tutorial, year ones. I will speak to you guys tomorrow again.